Expert ways to take your affiliate marketing higher. Affiliate marketing involves businesses rewarding affiliates for each customer brought to the business's site through the affiliate's efforts. Affiliate marketers' methods for attracting customers for businesses can range from simple advertising to offering rewards to customers. If you wish to join an affiliate marketing program, then be sure to read the tips found in this video. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for a company that offers a unique product. If you are just one person in a sea of reviews for the same product, you are less likely to have a high number of buyers. Promoting a product that is unlike anything else on the market and is not being promoted by many others will have a higher rate of success. One of the best ways to increase your affiliate expertise level is to study what other marketers are doing with similar products. By viewing their tactics, you will understand how they attract people to their sites and ultimately send them to the main company's site to become customers. It's a working method that can help you increase commissions. A great affiliate marketing tip is to edit your videos to make them generate more web traffic. You can generate more web traffic simply by using different keywords or by using a tool such as Rank Tracker. This is a great way to increase your search engine rankings and to make more money. A good affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're in the right market. You want to be in a market where you'll make some money. You'll also want to be in one that is relevant to your interests. Doing a little bit of research will help you find the right market for you. Make sure that most of your website's content is timeless for improved affiliate marketing performance. Reacting to news and industry developments is a good way to generate content, but if your website is nothing but news and commentary, its content has a limited shelf life. Write some quality content that will always be applicable to keep your visitors interested in your affiliate products. Can you possibly advertise two competing affiliate products on your website? Believe it or not, the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, competing products offer a good content generating strategy. You can always review them head to head. You just need to give a balanced impression, emphasizing that each product has its own strengths. That way visitors can find reasons to buy either product. There's all kinds of advice online about how you should conduct your affiliate marketing business, and most of strategies will work with patience and consistency. The key is to choose one course of action and stay with it. Use pay-per-click or email marketing or blogging. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to do all of them at once. Master one form of marketing and get good at it. As stated in the video above, affiliate marketing is done by affiliate companies to help businesses draw in more customers to buy products and/or services. Using the tips that are featured in the above video, you can join an affiliate program that can help your business. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.